Alright guys, good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Adeda Media, and guys, in today's video we are having Naira Marley and Zinoleesky. As you all know, Zinoleesky had a year today, and Naira Marley, being his boss and his best friend, decided to surprise Zinoleesky by giving him a mansion in Lekki. My guy, no be small thing, no. And Naira Marley posted Zinoleesky and the mansion, and he said, Naira Marley, happy G-Day Zinoleesky, and congrats on your new house. The interior is crazy, won't lie. More blessing, my loyalist, Baba Zende, Malian slave. Guy, e be like say the relationship between Naira and Zino, e be like say this one strong, go. And guys, if you are a fan of Zinoleesky, wish him happy birthday in the comment section, and don't forget to use the subscribe button. Please share the video and like the video. Thank you. God bless you. Guys, this one choke.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.